Yeah, we're on our way today up to James Lindsay's at Pastoral. They run a fairly sizable dairy farm, and he bought one of our 42-foot rollers off us. He'd been thinking about it for a couple of years. His uncle's got one. Yeah, they run a fairly big cropping program to feed their dairy cows. They use the roller in front of most of their hay program and their silage program, and he's going to use it after he's strip tilting corn later in the year, so he's pretty keen to get it straight away this year so he could get his rolling done now and get it done in September when they strip till their corn. Yeah, so we'll have a bit of a look at his flat out rolling today in probably some cereals, most likely barley. Good, thanks. I'm Mitch. Nice to meet you. James only got the roller last week. It came all the way from Williams in WA all the way across and delivered last week and put straight to work as soon as it was dry enough. He's skip rowing at the moment, so he's going to come back and get this row, but just having a look here at the difference between the job where it's been rolled and the job where it hasn't been rolled. So he's sowing with a knife point and press wheel seeder, and as it comes through, obviously it flicks the dirt out. And this year, dry seeding, it's obviously got all these clods, so I don't know if you can see that level there, but that's significantly lower, probably an inch or two lower than this. And what James is most concerned about is being able to get his mowers close to the ground, run them on the deck, and he doesn't want this dirt in his hay or his silage, and he doesn't want it to damage his mowers and cause more wear. So that's what he's trying to achieve, and he's doing a bloody good job. Conditions are pretty much perfect. It's not too damp underneath. It's still, there's moisture there. Don't know if you can see that, like there's moisture there, which is good.
I'm James and from Lindale Pastoral, and we're out here rolling at the moment. I've got two brothers and we've got two dairies, so we're essentially all our broad acre and everything is for the dairies. We try to supply enough feed and grain and everything every year to be fairly self-sufficient. Yeah, combination of summer, broad acre and dairy. We'll hay, silage and grain, and not every year does everything get a go, but we do the best with what we can each year.
And you wouldn't normally be rolling this late, like this is, the season probably started later than...
Yeah, we're a late start, definitely a late start, so we'd be normally probably trying to roll it at this stage, I would say. But,
yep.
Obviously,
but not in July.
Yeah, not in July.
Not towards the end of July.
The way we've landed this year, but you know, a lot of the time, like the crop will be up like this 3-4 weeks after you've sown it. Sometimes. So, you know, we'd probably just aim for timing. Once your pre-emergence, everything aren't going to be pushed in and affect the crop. Probably now that we've got the roller, you'd be looking to just do it preventatively every year, so that we're left to go either way. Up till now, we've only been rolling what we definitely know we're going for chop, like vetch and or hay or whatever, but selected paddocks that you want to take off early for summer crops. But now probably with something that you can get across the ground a bit quicker and you know, do a job of it fairly quick, we'll probably more enticed to definitely roll a lot more portions, or if not the whole lot, just so that when you get to a dry spring, you're not you know, you're not afraid to go and throw a mower into it.
Just try not to be awkward. Shaft comes down and goes out.
All right.
I don't know where I was going with that train of thought, but
yeah, exactly right.
I had a really good question too. Yeah, I had a really good question.